Hey, I'm Chini. And welcome to Chini's World.
Hey cutie, so today I'm going to show you how I made this plain whiteboard into a sign. As you can see, this whiteboard had some stains that I couldn't take out, so I just left it that way. So what I did, I found a reference of a font that I wanted, and then I added these tape lines, and then I started to draw what font I wanted. And this is how it came out. I wanted my sign to be customizable, so for each season I decided to do a poster. So for fall I'm doing pumpkin patch, and for winter I did Wonderland, as you'll see in the video. Now that it's dry, use this kind of brush and then just go over your... So what I was trying to explain is that using a square brush, it will help you have crisp lines, as you can see here. So I wanted my poster to have a little accent for each season. Later in the video, you'll see what I mean as an accent piece. I also had these LED lights laying around, so I decided to put it around. So this is where the little accent pieces I was talking about earlier come in. So here I'm putting the Velcro where I want the little accent to be, and this is how it looks. This one's the fall theme. And then we have the winter theme. And this is the everyday look theme. So I had this little Tupperware container where I put my towels, and I thought it looked really plain. So here I'm just painting it white. And to give it that distressed look, I just took a sandpaper block thing and started sanding away. Then I decided to add the string and a little sign. And here's the final look. So I found this little easel at Dollar Tree, and I wanted to add some decorations to my bathroom, and I came up with this. I found an inspiration post on Pinterest, and I'll show the picture. So after finally liking how the lettering looks, I decided to add this little wreath. And this is what I came up with. This project is really easy and customizable, and it looks pretty cute. This is another project that I also found online, and they're palette coasters. The main materials for this project are popsicle sticks and your hot glue gun. So what you do is you measure them out as your desired length, and then you start cutting them off. For your base, you're going to need 5 popsicle sticks, and then you're going to glue them as shown. After having your base, you're just going to glue on top the popsicle sticks that you have left until it's filled. Now you can leave it just like this, or you can add a little stain finish, but if you don't have stain, what you can do is grab acrylic paint and add water and get to this consistency. Depending on the color you use will depend on how it's gonna look. I did this one with a dark color, and then I had this one with a lighter brown. And then you can also customize it for the holidays. And that's how you get some cute coasters that look like palettes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Bye!